I'm project manager with Kelly Roofing here at the Valett residence on Laguna Drive doing an inspection for a new tile roof. Before getting on the roof, there's a couple of things I notice here. Here you have your eave riser, your drip edge metal, and your fascia. One thing I noticed about your eave riser here is that it is a concrete eave riser, which is not recommended because it holds moisture and causes damming at the perimeter here and can actually cause perimeter leaks. At the time of a re-roof, we'll install a Galvalume 26 gauge metal eave riser. All the drip edge on the entire perimeter of the home will be replaced as well. Then here you have 3 layers of fascia. If any rotted fascia is found, it will be replaced at $7.50 per linear foot. So if you had a 10-foot section, it would be $75. Continuing onto the roof here. See a couple of slipping and shifting tiles here. A lot of times that's because if the tile is relying on a tile adhesive to hold in place with the large amount of pitch on this roof, the weight can make it shift over time and slip down. Kelly Roofing will propose to go back with one stainless steel screw at the head of the tile here and then some tile adhesive at the head lap where the 2 tiles meet, so that way it cuts down on wind chattering. You also have some lead stack flashings here. These will be replaced at the time the re-roof. All stack and vent flashings are replaced. Next detail we see here is the valley detail. All the water is channeled off the roof. We will install new valley metal in all the valley details. Here we have your hip and ridge cap tiles. You can see here that they're easily lifting up. These are actually not up to the new codes. We will now install a metal ridge anchor in the actual cap tile, so we can fasten them down here and then use concrete mortar on the sides as well as a tile adhesive at the head laps. That will bring you up to the new Florida building codes. Here we have an off-ridge vent used for ventilation. I haven't done the actual equation yet, but you only have 2 4-foot off-ridge vents on this part of the home. I'm going to go ahead and say that this house is under-ventilated, and once I take more measurements, I will be able to get you the exact amount of off-ridge vents you need for proper ventilation. One thing I noticed is that the off-ridge vent here, they put some cement there to try to protect the void there. You should actually have what's called top flashing in this area and at the base of the vent here to direct all the water flow on top of the tiles. This will allow for leaks to happen at the off-ridge vents because you can see here that the concrete cracks with expansion and contraction in the roof. The top flashing will prevent that. You do have a form of top flashing here at the wall detail, which is good, but unfortunately it's kind of an outdated top flashing. It's more of a lead material than the new Walk-Flex top flashing that we'll use. We'll also paint the top flashing unlike what you see here, so it will match the actual tile color that you choose. Continuing on here, you do have a 2x4 skylight here. I would recommend replacing it. It does look like there's some trapped moisture in the pane here, and you can see some moisture down there at the bottom. I will give you pricing on replacing it with a Velux 2x4 glass impact and Energy Star approved skylight that comes with a 20-year warranty. Continuing on. You had mentioned that you would like an estimate to replace this flat roof down here. The flat roof currently has most likely a peel and stick underlayment with a modified asphalt roof underneath that has been tiled over. To do this properly, we would have to rip up all the tiles, take up the railings, and install a new PVC Duralast roof membrane that comes with a 20-year warranty on it. It's a maintenance-free roof. It is actually all welded together, and it will be included in the proposal as well. Please ask me for additional information, as this is a pretty detailed product. But that completes the inspection here on Laguna Drive. For any more questions, please ask me or visit our website, www.kellyroofing.com. Thank you.